Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel My Time My Teacher. In this video I will tell you about article writing, how to write an article in the exams or in practicing. Article writing is one of the longest writing which we need to write on a topic which is given to us in the question. The topic is, it can be related with social issues, it can be related with current affairs or anything. But the question is how to write such a long writing skill on that topic. So in this video, I will tell you about the format as well as how can we make it longer up to the word limit. The word limit according to CBSE, that is 120 to 150 words, and that we need to see how to reach to 150 words. We will think about 150, not about 120, because thinking about the higher word limit will always give us some satisfactory answers, right? So now I'm going to tell you the format first of all, then how to meet the word limit. Format is, first of all, give heading to it. Heading we need to take from the question, the topic which is given over there. It should be around 6 to 10 words. Don't make it so lengthy, and make sure that it is not a sentence, right? Make a very attractive, very catchy heading so that it is very creative. After that, your next line, you are going to put by the writer's name. If your name is given in the question that you are this, then write the same name. If not, you can write XYZ, that is better. You can write this writer's name in the center of the line, as well as you can also write at the right top corner also. That is also fine. Both the ways, you can choose anyone which suits you well. After this, student, we start the body of the article writing, and that is divided into 3 paragraphs. Para 1, 2, 3. It is compulsory to write 3 paragraphs. You cannot make it shorter or longer. Para 1, it needs to be 30 to 40 words, and that is basically the introduction of the topic. Whatever you think about the topic, that you need to write in that. What comes to your mind regarding the topic in the initial stage, that is the introduction of the topic which you are going to write here. 30 to 40 words, hardly 5-6 lines. It's not so big. You can write that very easily. After this, then leave a line and then come to para 2. Para 2 is the important part of article writing, that is the 60 to 80 words, and that is the main content of it. The trick how to increase that I will tell you at the end of the video, that how you can just have some more words, some more ideas to go up to 80 words. Before that, let's talk about para number 3. Para number 3 is the last para where we need to write 30 to 40 words. 30 to 40 words is the solution and suggestion. Whatever the topic is, regarding the topic, if there is a problem we are talking about, you need to give the solution of it. According to you, what can be the solution of it? Or if there is a social issue, then you can give your suggestions, what the people should do, that also you can give. It is also required 30 to 40 words. After that, we do not need anything. No thank you, nothing is required, no signature, nothing. Directly you can finish it up to here. Now we are coming to the promise which I gave you, how to increase the word limit in para number 2. So students, my suggestion is that if you want to increase the word limit in para number 2 and you want to reach the word limit of 150 words in your answer, then you need to do some rough work before starting the writing. See, read the question 2-3 times. Think about the topic, whatever the topic is, and on the left side or anywhere at the corner of the page of the answer book, you can make some rough notes. Whatever ideas come to your mind regarding the topic, any idea, you just note down that ideas. Imagine you got 5 ideas, 6 ideas, 10 ideas, just note down all of them. After writing them down, you just read them again, which ideas you have noted down on the paper, and see if you can delete anyone. If then anything is extra that is not relevant, you can delete that. If you are getting any new idea, then also you can use that. But after that, once again read all the points and do one thing, give them the numbers. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give them a sequence, and accordingly, whatever sequence you have given, you can use that in para number 2. Whatever the sequence you have given, that will be helpful to you in para number 2, because it will make your content longer. this is the only way to increase the content. No other way is there. Keep in mind the 2 minutes which you are using, you can call it a waste, you are wasting on writing down the rough points, that will surely help you to save 10 minutes while writing the article. If you think directly mere mind mein aa jata hai, I can get the points directly in my mind, I am sure you will not get at the time of writing the article. So it is better to plan it accordingly. If you are getting the ideas also automatically in your mind while you are writing, then I am sure that will not be in the sequential order, because you will write some point away in the beginning, other point will be at the last, other in the middle. There will be no sequence of the point. So keep in mind, use those 2 points, those 2 minutes to make the rough notes, give them the sequence, and then you can write them down in para number 2. That is the only way, nothing else. Sure? I'm sure if you are using these all, you will be able to write a good article, right? Thank you very much. If you like the video, if you think it is helpful to you, share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.